Howdy folks, my name is Zach, you're watching Arclight Miniatures, and I have a one-take painting guide for y'all today. I'm going to show you how to take some dull, boring, soulless laser boards and make them bright green, just like this. So, don't go anywhere because that video is starting right now. Okay, first things first, let's get my hair into the camera frame. No, just joking. Let's fumble with the paints, and then let's show off the initial base layer, which is going to be green skin, followed by the next layer of goblin green, and then snake scales. These are all from the army painter. Followed by that, it's going to be some white ink, and then some fluorescent ink. I'll show you the layering process thusly. Firstly, we're going to get into the green skin, and I'm just going to fill the entire recess of that laser bore. There are other ways you can paint lasers, like classic jeweling. I want to paint these as though they are being fired or are glowing in a very simple manner, so this is why I am opting to fill the entire recess with that color. Now, because this base coat is fairly heavy, I'm going to take a brief moment here just to let this sit. I do have this running at 1.5 times speed. I didn't feel that you folks needed to sit through extended periods of me blowing on the miniature to have the paint dry, so I decided to shorten that somewhat. And here I am just blowing on it. Paint is almost dry, and I'm just pointing to those beautiful PPCs, which you folks will get to see in another video. This paint has dried enough now. I'm going to come back at it with the goblin green and just, you guessed it, fill that recess. I am trying to leave just the tiniest little bit of the green skin and a ring around that goblin green, but I am largely filling that entire area that I painted before with that goblin green. Those metallics looking shiny. It's a mix of Pro Acryl and Army Painter metallics on this miniature. Again, just blowing on those laser diodes. Dry enough now, so I am coming in with the snake scales. This is a very bright lime green. Honestly, this on its own, if you didn't want to push any further, is probably more than sufficient, especially if you're just painting to a tabletop standard and you just want to insinuate a basic laser glow. You could totally stop right here. However, we are going to push this a little bit further by grabbing some of that pure white ink, and I'm going to place a dot or a big blob of white ink within the previous green layers, trying to leave a green ring around it. Now, this looks a little bit off-putting and jarring at the moment, but once we go back in for the next step, which is going to be that fluorescent yellow ink, this is all going to come together very quickly in one fell swoop. So, coming in with that ink, I haven't thinned this at all. I'm just kind of washing it and flooding it into that recess where the laser diode is. And what it does is tints the white ink to be fluorescent yellow, and then all of the green around it gets tinted this nice rich yellow tone. And because it is a fluorescent ink, it brightens it up quite a bit. Very quick and easy. I really hope you enjoyed this. Let's get to the final result with some photos. Yes. There you have it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoy giving you every stroke, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And if you like it too, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you feel so compelled, please share this video with your friends and fellow painters, anybody that you know is into the hobby. I'm always looking to expand. Thank you for your time. Best wishes. And until the next one, my name is Zach, and you've been watching a one-take painting guide with Arclight Miniatures. Cheers, folks.